you guys, on to the next leg of our journey. We spent 2 nights on a private island, and while it was nice, we ended up getting sick, so there will be no vlog from the private island. But it's all good. Right now we're heading off to Coron, so they're bringing us our luggage right now, and we're gonna hop in a taxi and head off to El Nido Airport, where we'll be catching a short flight. We just arrived to the local market. We're gonna get some food and then we're gonna cook it on the boat a little bit later. We got a private tour and only paying about 3,500 pesos for the whole entire, all of us actually, which is a steal of a deal. Let's check out this market here. Our first stop was Kayangan Lake, one of the most iconic spots in Coron. We paid an entrance fee at every stop on our tour. This one was 300 pesos per person. The fees go toward protecting the environment, maintaining the sites, and supporting the local community.
Hello.
This is our crew right here.
Kayangan Lake.
Thank you so much. While it was crowded, Kayangan Lake was definitely worth the stop. The water was crystal clear and surrounded by towering limestone cliffs. It's a mix of fresh and salt water which adds to the unique experience. It was peaceful and totally surreal. Our next stop was Skeleton Wreck, where we stayed about an hour. Here you can snorkel a shipwreck that's now home to vibrant coral and some beautiful marine life. Next up was the Coral Garden, and it turned out to be my favorite part of the tour. The water was crystal clear, and the corals were some of the most beautiful I've seen anywhere in the world. I know, right? Next, it was time for lunch at another beautiful spot. We had a great meal and stayed a little over an hour before it started raining, so we decided to head back and cut the tour a bit short. For our first 2 nights, we stayed at Tag Resort and really enjoyed it. The place has 2 pools, a restaurant and bar, and breakfast was included. Our room was cozy and modern. It was just a short tricycle ride to town. I'd definitely stay here again. But for now, let's jump into our second private tour. It was unreal, and you don't want to miss it. Alright guys, we just arrived to the port. We got a sunny day out here for the most part, very nice. But this is where all the boat tours take off from, right over here in this area. The market where we were yesterday is right over down that way, but not stopping there today. We got all the fruit and snacks we need for the day. It's about 9 a.m. here. Beautiful day. The ride out to our first island would take about an hour. The water was glassy, we had a great crew, and a bottle of rum. We'd be visiting 3 islands total and trying our best to avoid the crowds. Just made it to our first stop of the day, Malcapuya Island. Absolutely gorgeous, the sun is shining, the water is glowing blue. We had a nice ride here on the boat. We're gonna walk around and gonna just relax on this beautiful island. honestly absolutely in awe over here. This water is crystal clear. Crystal clear. Wow. And perfectly cool. Normally I wear water shoes going into the water, but not here. No need. It's perfectly sandy. So feel the sand between my toes. I got this nice cold beer. Gosh, this is everything you would expect, everything you would desire in a tropical island right here. Malkapuya Island, Malkapuya. Absolutely gorgeous. We're gonna enjoy here, like I said, as long as we like, since we're on a private charter. Oh, guys, just in heaven here. This is what I live for. I mean, shit, this water, spectacular, absolutely mesmerizing. Cheers, everyone. Such a gorgeous, gorgeous beach. This has to be in my top 5. But we don't want to leave, but we're gonna head off to our next spot pretty soon. And because I have a fear of missing out. Like although I don't want to leave, the other island might not be as beautiful, but maybe it is. Maybe it's more beautiful. Fear of missing out. So we're gonna head on out in just a few minutes here. Made it to our next stop, Bamboo Beach. We are the only people on this beach. How awesome is this? Absolutely gorgeous, and gorgeous water, perfect white sand.
The island is just for us.
No, seriously, right? Still beautiful even on a cloudy day. This is Banana Island. This is usually packed with tourists, but maybe because of the weather, or actually our tour guide said they were going to avoid the crowds. They've been doing an awesome job. These guys are amazing. There's a little beach resort here right in front of us. And like I said, even on a cloudy day, the water is still calm, it's blue, the weather is warm. I'm gonna sit down and relax for a little bit. I got a bag of chips and a beer still from the other island. Let's go relax on Banana Island. We had a great time on our private tour exploring these 3 beautiful islands. But the adventure wasn't over yet, because the next day we'd be checking into somewhere truly special. Today is the day we're checking into our special accommodations. We are staying at on a floating house, actually one of the only accommodations on Coron Island. But we're super excited. It's gonna be beautiful. We got a beautiful day out here. We got a free boat transfer, and yeah, ready to go here. Thank you so much. This was the main restaurant where we spent a few hours before checking in. If you're staying here, I'd recommend getting here early so you can enjoy all the amenities. We're getting ready to jump in a kayak, which are included. We're gonna head out to the Twin Lagoon. Again, one of the most popular stops here in Coron. We decided not to do it on our first boat cruise here in Coron because, well, we're staying here. We just decided it'd be better just to kayak. It's still the morning time. It's almost 9 a.m. so the tourists are gonna start to arrive soon. So hopefully we get there and it's not too busy. Made it to our destination, the Twin Lagoon. Absolutely gorgeous water here. Towering limestone cliffs, as there has been here in Coron. And it was only about a 10 to 15 minute easy kayak. Easy for me because I'm filming. I'm doing all the hard work right now. We made it back just in time for a delicious lunch with some beautiful views. And it was almost time to check into our villa. I can't wait to show you what it was like. Making our way up to the restaurant to go get briefs on our place here. Here's the view from above, in the back actually. Yeah, this is an exclusive restaurant only for the guests staying in the Sunset Villa here. Oh, gorgeous.
If you want to have some drinks and food here, it's possible also.
Fantastic, great.
I'm sure you can use this area by kayaking or swimming. And this is your room, Sunset One. So welcome to your new house, ma'am, sir.
This is the Sunset Villa at Paolyn Boathouse. It has 2 rooms and absolutely stunning views of the turquoise lagoon and limestone cliffs. Let me show you around a bit. Have a phone with a WhatsApp chat to order drinks and food, anything we want to our amazing villa. Jalapeno drink. Wow guys, we got some drinks. Some beautiful coral. I'm very happy staying here at Paolyn Boathouse. Wish I was here for more than one night, but I'm super grateful to be staying here for one night. Absolutely gorgeous. And the service is great, guys. I gotta tell you, service overall in the Philippines, second to none. But over here at Paolyn Boathouse is absolutely incredible. We're gonna hang out here for a few more hours and we're gonna have dinner right here on our beautiful deck. Absolutely lovely here at Paolyn Boathouse. I want to thank you all for watching my video. The beauty of Coron truly blew us away and our trip was one for the books. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our future adventures. I will see you all in the next one.